Hello guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to use shrink wrap and lattice modifiers to project details onto a curved surface. This powerful technique is a great time saver. Enjoy the video and take care. First, add the lattice. Scale to fit the mesh, as shown. Change lattice resolution. Then parent the lattice to the mesh. Use lattice deform settings. Add a shrink wrap modifier, project onto the surface. Use settings shown, adjust or fine tune to get the best results. Apply the modifier when you are happy with the result. The next stage is to combine the objects. Use fill command and join the verts. Add the subdivision modifier, adjust and refine to achieve a smooth surface. Take care guys, see you in the next tutorial.